I do want to say this: the spot that was done with Blue Falcon
Yeah, I
during the
wanted to
first break,
bring them up.
really excited about that, because as Scotty just said, when we present the right information, we have the right photographs, the right documentation, that this process should get much easier. And because we're starting to move along with AI, as that grows, the knowledge, the database, the images, everything else that AI has to analyze, as that universe of data is growing, AI gets better and better at what it's doing in looking at, okay? And when your intention is not to sell someone a roof, but to document the conditions of their roof for them and an insurance company or a realtor, a potential buyer, when you're looking to provide data, accurate, honest, without any manipulation, okay, that's the problem that has always existed with drones in insurance restoration. Okay, is the roofers used it to support their case, the insurance companies used it to support their case, and nobody was using data that was just the actual
raw
data.
Okay.
The softwares, the softwares that exist out there, almost without exception, allow you to filter. Okay, allow you to set a gauge on what it is you're looking for before the conclusion is actually written. Okay, so if you want to conclude that they have damage and need to file a roof, guess what? You can do that with the Roof Hawk software that Blue Falcon is integrating into what they're going to do for McRoof, for Roof RX. You cannot manipulate the data.
Ooh.
It is a report of, here is the data.
It's objective.
Exactly.
Well, now let me ask you this. Let me play devil's advocate
Yeah.
here. Can someone manipulate the filters and the prompts to not be so objective?
Oh, well, I'll just tell you this, that Roof Hawk and Blue Falcon and McRoof are in lockstep about what it is that we're trying to do, okay? And there's no one at Roof Hawk that is interested in creating those ways to modify the data or
Okay,
the outcome.
good.
Okay, and
Good to
Chris
hear.
is absolutely not going to do that, and
We're
McRoof
not
is not
going to do
going to
that.
do that. So it is about, as Scotty said, giving them the right information. Hey folks, let's talk a little bit about Roof RX. That is our inspect, repair, and maintain company, the prescription for your ailing roof. Right now, you ought to be thinking about two things. You ought to be thinking about possibly having Blue Falcon come out and do that drone inspection, have the AI software Roof Hawk analyze your roof for one of my solution specialists. You also need to be thinking about that attic and thinking about your insulation and thinking about radiant barrier and thinking about your ventilation. Remember, we talk about in cold weather, in the wintertime, we're not concerned about the heat. We're concerned about the moisture buildup. That's the most destructive force in a structure. So give Carly a call today at Roof RX and tell her how she can help you out. She'll get the appointment scheduled. 405-877-7663.